members. Today, many of you asked me how to scalp low time frames and by incorporating price action concepts and smart money concepts. So, without further ado, let's get started. This can be a really powerful thing, and it can work anywhere, not just in this setup. And it has many variations, but I like this one. So let's go. So first of all, as you can see, I have BTC open in 15 minutes. I have a replay. So first thing you have to do is go ahead and add the locks algo. I have it off, but I'll turn it on. First thing I want you to do is leave everything off or like on defaults. But go ahead and choose swing. You can put as many numbers as you want. I just chose 2 for the sake of this video. And that's it for now. Just so bear with me. As you can see, just give it a minute and you'll see these order blocks pop up. Mine's a bit slow because I'm on a cafe. I apologize for the music. I don't have any time frame that I can where I do this. So here we go. Okay, so we have 2 order blocks, one here and one here. So first thing I want you to do is this is a supply and this is a demand zone. Okay. So when the price comes to these zones, you can see there's a reaction. When this is the reaction, these are swing blocks, so these are actually really more powerful than 10. I don't want you to touch entire for the sake of this video, or for the sake of the strategy. So once you have these up, first thing you want to do, step 1, is wait for a retest. So here we had a few retests, but I'm going to focus on supply here. Where did we have a retest? We had a retest here. But the time frame between here and here is about a few hours long, so you don't have to watch the chart. So you don't have to watch the chart. All you have to do is go ahead and add, and then let try there, and then you can go out with your girlfriend, go do your job, do your business, whatever you do, whatever it is, just go do it. And then you check your phone and or your emails, and you see a notification that says alert, your supply zone, or just that your supply is getting retested, or your order book is getting retested. So now this is the time we open our chart. Now we open our chart and we're looking. Here you can see, yes, we touched our order block, right? So also now we can go to lower time frame and choose how we enter these order blocks. So it's more than just blindly, it's more professional. But in order to go on the lower time frames, it's best to just highlight this order block for me. I'm just gonna do it here, so we can know where it is on the lower time frames, because you might get a bunch of different ones that pop up, because every time frame have their own order blocks, of course. So now once we go to our 1 minute, yes, give it a second to load, and there we go. We have this is our order block, the supply order block, and this is where we have first retested it. So right there. So what do you say right here? Do you say, do we just put stop limit here, or like, I don't know, stop loss here and just let it run through? Yes, that's what I normally a day trader would do. But in our case, we're scalping on 1 minute, and many people are going to criticize me for this. But this works on any time. You can try it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up to you. The principle is the same. I'm just here for quick ins and outs with support, with like support being on my back, not support being on my back, with something to back me up on these trades. So once you're here, you see that the price goes up. But now what do we do? Now this is the fun part. This is where we use the different functions of the price action concepts. Now I want to turn everything on indeterminate and swing for market structure. And since we're going to be shorting from here, let's go ahead and hide the bullish ones so we don't clutter our chart too much. So now you're going to see, we're going to have, give it a minute to load, we're going to have a pretty nice chart telling us exactly what to do, and we're just going to follow it. Because price is everything. If you follow price, you win. You don't follow price, you go against price, you're not going to win. So first thing I want you to do once you reach the order block, I want you to not enter. I want you to just to wait and see for that touch or change of character. You see, price was going up, now we have a touch, and now price going down. But you do not enter here, or just when you see, as soon as you see touch or anything, you do not enter. Not below it, not above it. You must do one thing, and that is wait. That is to look for these are all red, these are change of characters. We want to see which green candle started this change of character. If you have a quick look, you see this is the first green candle before our touch has happened. So now that will be our entry zone. So it could be like that. Now, what do? Now you wait for the, let me change this color of this so we can see it. But let's change it to maybe yellow. So now what do? You wait for the price. You see the price didn't go down, it went up. You maybe got hit. Maybe you're in loss. Maybe in shock. Maybe you're like, no, this doesn't work. No, this isn't how it works. It's not how it works. Now you wait for it to go up to enter your entry zone, which is anywhere around here. You can enter anywhere around here. And now is where you enter. Now, suppose where did it hit? I would suggest that you put it right at the end, or maybe in the middle, up to you. So let's, for the sake of this video, I'm going to put it right there. My stop loss can be above this order block, it can be above the swing high, or it can be above the 15-minute high time frame order block. This, depending on your risk ratio, the more the high is, the more risk you are. And we're scalping, so we shouldn't be staying too long. Maybe if you did day trading, you'd put it up high, but I would suggest just putting it above the previous swing high. Now, what would be our target? Our target would be this swing low, maybe this swing low, maybe even that swing low. But let's not get too carried away and be degenerate. Let's just choose this one. It's fine with me. So as you can see, price goes up and goes right down, hitting our TP, and we're in profit. So 0.23 times 10, that's 2%, or with times 20 leverage, that's 4%. That's good 4% for a matter of, these are all 1 minute candles in a matter of maybe 5 minutes. So now it's second thing. Now this is the fun part. Now that we got out of here, now we check only the bosses. In fact, let's go here, just for you, you can do this the same, or you can just ignore anything else other than boss. Just put it on boss. Now we're just checking for bosses. Now it's boss time. So now once you see a boss, like a break of structure right here, right here, what do? Again, you do not enter right once it crosses or once it's formed. I don't care, you don't do that. What do is, you wait for we look for the grandles, maybe if it's too small, take the one before it, that formed, that started this break of structure. So in our case, it's here. Now, let's a bit down a bit more. Now, what do? The price goes down, goes up, touches our limit. You can enter here, maybe there, and then the price goes right down. So our stop loss this time can be the swing high, and our profit can be the swing low, and boom, that's about 26%. That's about maybe 6% with 20 leverage in a matter in 4 or 5 minutes. Sorry, yeah, 4 or 5 minutes. Now again, we have another boss. Awesome. Let me just get rid of this. Now do the same principle. We do not enter here. We wait for the price to hit this green candle that formed, sorry, this candle that formed this boss. So now we go up, boom. On this candle we hit it. We entered our our entry zone. Now we can short it. Again, swing high, and UTP can be previous low, maybe high if there's more different when you can go. But I'm just not gonna be a ginger. I'm just gonna choose this swing low here. Now we're in profit. Excellent. Now we get out. And you can just keep doing repeatedly. For example, here we had a couple more retests, and you can repeat the whole same process. Once the price goes back to the order zone, now we look for a new change of character, and then we look for the bosses.